In this video, I'll be building Jack Sucks at Life's play button collection in LEGO. I built his more common play buttons all the way to the rarest items in his collection. First, I'll be building a handful of his silver play buttons. I built his play button with the longest username, the shortest username, and even his emoji play button. For these three, I used the same design as in my last video, I just changed the text configurations. The next play button I'll be building is the Don't Subscribe play button. This is a custom award Jack made using an old silver play button. Next, I'll be building his custom 1 billion views award. He bought this award from Society Awards, the same company who makes all the official YouTube play buttons. For this award, I tried to use basic bricks, but towards the end I had to get creative with all sorts of pieces. For the last 770 days, I built a play button every day trying to get a real one. If you want to help me out, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that subscribe button. Now back to the video. The next award I'll be building is the OG Gold play button. This is the biggest award YouTube has ever produced. The next award I'll be building is the spinning play button. This is the first ever YouTube play button released in 2006. Next, I'll be building the YouTube letter and packaged by Rick card. Jack has a whole collection of these and even a signed one. Next, I'll be building the diamond play button. He actually has two of these, one from Mr. Beast and the other from KSI. Finally, I'll be building the 100 million subscriber red diamond play button. This one he got from PewDiePie. I built the base the same as the diamond one, except I used black bricks. Comment below which play button was your favorite. Thanks for watching!